Hey guys, I just got these little ropes for your backpack that hold on extra gear, and I want to give you a closer look. So my sleeping bag is on here, fully held up by 2 of these. Super easy to use. As you can see, it's on there. Perfect for any size. I have a smaller hiking pack on, but you can even do this on like a backpacking backpack. But what you do is there's just these clips on top, and you just unhook that, and you hook it in to just wherever you can find. Then you're going to go ahead and close that. You do that on the other side as well. And then it has an adjustable buckle, so now you can just take it off super easy. You can even leave these on backpacks and they'll stay on if you want to do it that way, or you can take them off and put them on other backpacks. But they're super versatile, like as you can see. This is a pretty thick sleeping bag, and it goes all the way around with just this little strap. It opens up pretty wide. Some cool things about this is anytime you need extra gear, these are so nice to have. So I just have it through my sleeping bag right there, and then on the bottom it's really nice and in there. But if you just look, you just tighten it up, you can bring it up, and you can hook it onto anything you can find on your actual backpack. So I just found some little buckles and things, but this is so nice for storage, especially if you're a backpacker. You absolutely need things on the back, like on the outside of your pack. And this is a great way to do it because some backpacks don't have built-in those, or they have them but you need even more space. So you can put sleeping bags, you can put sleeping mats, just anything you need. So these are definitely a big upgrade. I love that they come in a pack of 4. I only have 2 on that right now, but you could even put 2 more if you want it to be extra secure, or you can use these for your sleeping pad or anything like that. They're super easy. You also just clip open this, and this is how you can like adjust the length, and then you just go ahead and put that back down. This just means that everything's gonna stay in place really good. So overall, definitely would recommend. Thanks.